Hello, I am talk about the movie Notting Hill, which is a movie romantic comedy film in London. The life of William Tucker, that is a simple bookshop owner, changes when he meets the most famous star in the world, who is Anna Scott. Anna Scott got to buy a book in his bookshop. He doesn't believe in it himself. Minutes later, William went to buy orange juice. When he returned the shop, he spilling orange juice over Anna. Anna accepts his offer to change her clothes in his nervy apartment and thanks him with a kiss. Anna and William become friends with possibility of romance between, but they don't see again until past a year because she returns again with other feet in London. William visits to hear the film set and he hears the dialogue between Anna and her co-star. They don't lie and he leaves the set immediately. He feels bad. Next day Anna comes to the bookshop with a picture and she said that he can't tell her coworker that she loves him and she wants to be together. But William don't accept because he said that other break hurt, he couldn't survive it and said no. Later, William meet his friend and her sister and his sister and first they okay you are correct decision, but after they say no, your decision is the biggest mistake. They run one conference in the hotel. He asked to Anna she can stay in London forever. Anna and William later marry and Anna is pregnant. It's beautiful comedy film.